Everyone, welcome to online classes. I am Ranu Chaturvedi, your EVS teacher. Today we will read the new chapter number 9, Good Habits and Good Manners. So what are the things come under this topic, Good Habits and Good Manners? What are good habits and good manners? Here I am going to tell you some good habits and good manners that you must adopt, like waking early in the morning, brushing teeth twice a day, bathing every day, greet your elders, wear clean clothes, throw garbage in the dustbin, don't throw garbage in open area. So these all are good habits that you must adopt. So let's proceed with the warm-up column here. Here draw happy smiley for good habits and sad smiley for bad habits. So here you have to identify which are good habits here in the pictures, and you will draw happy smiley for the picture which is of good habit, and you will draw sad smiley for the picture of bad habit. So let's start with the very first picture. So here boy is brushing his teeth. So is it a good habit or bad habit? It is a good habit. Why? Because brushing teeth removes bacteria and germs from your mouth. It makes your teeth germ free, so tooth decay cannot be happen. So as it is a good habit, we will draw happy smiley for this good habit. Now come to the next picture. Here boy is throwing garbage on the ground. He is not throwing garbage in the dustbin. So is it a good habit or bad habit? We should throw garbage in the dustbin, not openly on the floor. So it is a bad habit. So we will draw sad smiley for this bad habit. Now let's see the next picture. Now here in this picture boy is biting his nails. So is it a good habit? No, chewing nails and biting nails is bad habit and bad manner, because it spreads germs from your fingers to your mouth and it can make you ill. So it is a very bad habit. So we will draw sad smiley for this bad habit. So this is sad smiley. Now see the next picture. Here boy is brushing his teeth. So brushing teeth is a good habit because it removes germs from your mouth and it makes your teeth healthy and germ free. So we will draw happy smiley for this good habit. Now see the next picture. Here a girl is watering plants. So watering plants is a good habit or bad habit? It is a good habit, because when you water the plant, so water transport nutrients from the soil to plants, which helps plants growing. So it is a good habit. So we will draw happy smiley for this good habit. Now see the next picture. Here mama is trimming her daughter's nail. So is it a good habit? Yes, it is a good habit, because trimming nails prevents you from bacterial infections. So here we will draw happy smiley for this good habit. Now let's start reading. Hello friends, I am Rohit. My teacher says keep yourself clean, it will keep you healthy. So here a boy whose name is Rohit, he is introducing himself and he is saying that his teacher says keep yourself clean will keep you healthy, because when you clean your body, your nails, your teeth, it removes from your germs from your body and it maintain hygiene that help you become healthy. Now read the further lines. Rima and Rohit are happy children. Do you know why? They keep themselves clean. So why here Rima and Rohit are happy? Because they are healthy. And how they are healthy? Because they keep themselves clean. They bath regularly, they trim their nails, they brush their teeth. In this way, they keep themselves clean. Now let's read the further lines. Reema and Rohit follow some good habits. Their mother has put up a chart of do's and don'ts in their room. So here, Reema and Rohit's mother has pasted a chart about what they should do and what they should not do. And Reema and Rohit follow that habits, that what should they do and what should they don't. So let's read what should they do. First, get up early in the morning. So sleeping till late in the morning could be affect our health adversely. Now the next line is brush your teeth when you wake up in the morning. Brush them again before going to bed at night. So here we should brush our teeth twice a day, when we wake up in the morning and when we go to bed, before going to bed at night. So it makes our teeth germ free and healthy. Now read the next line. Take a bath every day. So we should bath every day. So soap remove bacteria and germs from our body, so our body become hygiene and healthy. Now read the next line is wash your hands before and after eating. So if you don't wash your hands before eating, germs and bacteria are left on your palms and fingers, can be transferred to your mouth, and this can cause illness. So we should wash your hands before and after eating. Now read the next line. Take help of an elder to trim your nails. So we should trim our nails time to time, because if our nails are grown, dust gets stuck in those nails and that dust will go in your mouth while eating. So we should trim our nails time to time. Let's read the next line. Cover your nose and mouth with handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. So we should cover our nose and mouth with hanky while sneezing and coughing, because while sneezing and coughing, droplets come out which makes other people ill. So we should cover our nose and mouth at the time of sneezing and coughing. Now the next line is go to bed early at night. So we should sleep early at night so that we could be able to wake up early in the morning. So these were the things you should do. Now let's read the things you should don't do. First line is do not bite your nails. So we should not bite or chew our nails. First, why? Because it is not socially accepted. And secondly, when you bite your nails, germs transfer to your mouth from the nails. So we should not bite our nails. Now the next line is do not put your fingers in the mouth or nose. So it is very bad manner. It is not socially accepted to put your finger in your mouth and nose. And second, its bad impact is we touch all the things with our hands and fingers. So germs and bacteria stuck on the fingers, and when we put these fingers in our mouth and nose, bacteria easily go in our mouth and nose and it can make us ill. So we should not put our fingers in our mouth and nose. Now the third line is do not lie down while reading. We should sit straight while reading because it makes you alert and conscious for reading. Now the third line is do not put anything in your ears. Your ears are very sensitive part, so you should not put anything in your ears, because if you put anything in your ear, it can lead to infection. Now the next point is do not rub your eyes with dirty hands. So our eyes are also sensitive part of our body. We should not rub it with dirty hands, because if we rub our eyes with dirty hands, so it can also lead to infections. Now read the next line. Do not watch television too much. So we should not watch television too much because it can be cause of weak eyesight. So these things you should not do. Now let's read good manners. Greet your teachers and elders by saying good morning. So when you meet your teachers, your elders, you should greet them. When you meet them in morning, you should wish them good morning. When you meet them in noon, you should wish them good noon. When you meet